Compañía Valenciana Aluminio is part of Grupo Baux. Grupo Baux is a Spanish company dedicated for recycling aluminum from the scrap. We are mainly concentrated in building and construction products, and 90% of our products goes to produce roller shutters.
The project started when Compañía Valenciana Aluminio Baux reached to its maximum coil production capacity with the existing mill and could no longer meet the growing demands of the market.
From the very beginning, it was clear that in the future the plant will need an increase in the capacity of mill finish.
This is an important project for FIS because it's a new cold rolling mill for the aluminium market.
The main advantages for us are improving efficiency, increasing capacity, modernizing the plant.
Our main advantage is that we are based 100% on scrap. Our products are one of the lowest carbon footprint in the world. The new cold rolling mill allows us to expand these advantages not only for 40,000 tons but now for 90,000 tons, and will give us the possibility to open new markets.
This new mill is capable to roll to 600 meters per minute, and he can go down from 6 mm to 0.15 millimeters.
The main challenge has been to install the new mill while working at full capacity in the rest of the plant, because both areas are very close to each other.
The main advantages are the automatic gauge and flatness control system, and also the side shifting car that reduce the working roll changing time.
The collaboration between both companies has been very professional since the beginning of the project. This project, in one word, is growth.
I have been visiting the site many times since the beginning of the project. It was a close cooperation between both companies.
Our technicians have been involved in the development of the project from the moment we draw the first line, and at the end we have a product that has been developed together.